integrations by parts. The integration by parts is actually derived from the product rules of the differentiations. In our previous chapters on the differentiations, we know that when there are two functions, which is in the forms of the product, when you need to do the differentiations, you will need to use the formulas for the product rules. Differentiations of uv will be equals to v du dx plus u dv dx. From the equation here, if you rearrange the equations, you will get this, where the v du dx is being moved to the other side. That gives you u dv dx, differentiations of uv, minus v du dx. In order to acquire the uv, you will need to integrate the entire expressions. From the integration function here, the dx here can be cancelled out. And for the integrations function here, the dx here is also being cancelled out. This gives you the formulas for the integrations by part. And we just need to adopt the formulas for us to solve the problems. Let us try an example for the integrations by parts. You are asked to integrate this. What you see here is there are two functions, which is the x and cos x. That means you will have to deal with the integrations by parts. Let u equals to x, and the remaining are the dv, which is the cos x dx. With the u here, you have to differentiate to obtain du. Differentiating x over dx will give you dx. With the dv here, you need to integrate it so that you obtain v. Integrate cos, you get sin x. Now you use the formulas of integration by parts. U v minus integrations of v du. Rearrange the uv term here. Integrate sin x dx. You will get negative cos x. And remember to put c at the end of the expressions. Rearrange the equations, you get the final answer. Let us try another examples for the integrations by parts. Here you see there are two functions here. Let u equals to 3t. The rest will be the dv. For the u, you differentiate it to dt. As for the dv, you integrate it in order to obtain the v. Integrations of this will give you this. Adopt the formulas of integrations by part. U v du. Rearrange the first term. Integrate the second term here. The power 2 here will be moved into the divisions, and you will get the final answer.